What you got there, Ellie? Oh, big yawn. You like sitting up in your swing? No. Maybe not. Maybe this is too new. What do you think? Hey. Hey, you okay? I want to see you when you rattle. You want to eat it? No, I didn't like the taste of that. Okay. Okay. Hi. Are you feeling a little better? Are you feeling a little better? That humidifier helped, huh? Not so congested. Let me see your kicky feet. I like those kicky feet. Hey, Calvin. Really? Hi, I like that smile. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? See if I could just grab it. If I could just grab that toy. It's so close. You think it's pretty? It has pretty colors? Here. You wanna hold it? You wanna hold it? Where's your hand? Here we go. And put it in your little hand. So you're not sure what to do now, huh? Oh, poor Ellie. You went out of there? Okay, I'll get you.